understand why the church doesn't approve of latex's multiple uses. I love annoying people with this thing.
Nice. That's gonna look great once I hang it up. Nice. That's gonna look great once I hang it up. Okay, now this looks like a party. All we need now is a birthday cake, and we're ready for the surprise.
Oh, sure. Hey, this actually reminds me of my 10th birthday. I didn't get a cake, but that's when I smoked my first cigarette.
Good job. Everything looks perfect. Okay then, you may go and surprise him.
Good morning, Dr. Johnson.
Good morning, Mr.
Lecter, Hannibal Lecter. Hey, don't give me that look. It's a very unfortunate coincidence.
And why did you throw that cake on the floor?
Who cares about the cake?
I care about the cake.
Okay, well, maybe it would have been better to leave it on your desk, but I'm the kind of man who thinks fast but acts faster.
Fine. So, what seems to be the problem?
What? Just like that? No Rorschach test or anything?
No, I've always believed it's just a waste of time with no empirical value whatsoever.
Oh, well, I guess that's for the best. I'm one of those guys who only sees butterflies. Squashed butterflies.
Would you mind telling me what the matter is, please?
A cursed ring is ruining my life.
Well, you need to comprehend that any inanimate object only has as much power over you as you choose to give it.
Excuse me?
Yes, it means that you are the one who's ruining your own life. You claim it's the ring, right?
Right.
Well, I'm telling you that if it wasn't a ring, it would be something else.
No, it is the ring. Other stuff doesn't make me see my best friend die every day.
Okay. Now that sounds like a real problem.
Yeah, anyway, it's not why I came here today.
Why are you here then?
Let's just say I'm here on behalf of a friend.
Now, what do you mean by on behalf of a friend?
Do you recall seeing a very drunk guy, kind of weird looking, who goes by the name of Matthew Griffin around here today?
That's what you're here for? I'm sorry, but I'm not allowed to divulge that kind of information. I'm afraid I'll have to ask you to leave, Mr. Lecter.
No, wait, please! I'm desperate here. I don't know what else to do. Please help me.
The monkey guy. You have some nerve coming back here.
My name is Randal Hicks, and I find myself in a really difficult situation. A person's life is at stake, and you're the only one that can help me.
You're the famous Randal Hicks?
Well, that depends. What have you heard about him?
Given the situation, I'm afraid I can't do anything but help you. Matthew Griffin came to see me today. He didn't have an appointment, but he managed to sneak in. I hate it when people do that.
Yeah, some people, huh?
So I let him in. But he was so drunk I couldn't understand a single word he said, except the last sentence.
Yeah, come on, don't leave me hanging like this, Doc. Tell me what he said.
He said he was going to get himself a gun, and then he was going to murder a man named Randal Hicks, the guy who ruined his life.
What on earth did you tell me that for? You know, that's the last thing I would want to hear. You're some doctor.
I told you because I think it's dangerous to allow a man in his state to walk around with a loaded firearm. You have to find him.
What if he has the gun already?
Well, then I guess you'll have to improvise.
Wow, thanks for nothing.
Now, one more thing, Mr. Hicks. Stealing a friend's girl is not right.
Oh, why don't you butt out, you big know-it-all? Have you seen a drunk psychotic guy with glasses and an afro around?
I don't know. Talking bugs.
Great. Mel? Hello?
Hello. Can I help you?
Did anyone buy a weapon from you today?
Yeah, I'm almost sure.
Do you remember anyone in particular?
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like to buy a gun and shoot you with it.
Yeah. Like that other guy.
The other guy, who? Can you tell me his name?
I don't think so. He was in a hurry.
Do you remember what he looked like?
How should I know? You can't expect me to remember every drunk guy who buys a gun.
Well, what if you get mugged?
That's never happened before. Although, wait. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think I get mugged all the time.
No, never mind. Do you remember the wasted guy who bought the gun?
Hello. Can I help you?
The guy who bought the gun, goddammit. Who was he?
Hey, give me a break, kid. I told you I have trouble remembering people's faces, especially when they're drunk. They all look the same. But if you refresh my memory a little, I don't know, if you had something to help me remember the face of the guy you're looking for, then I might be able to help you.
He doesn't look very good in this picture. Well, the truth is that he's kind of hard to look at. I hope this helps Mel remember.
Hey, where did you come from?
I
I want to know who you are and what the hell you're doing here. Because I bet my badge that isn't your apartment.
well, you see,
You know, I'm tired of you already. You're under arrest.
What?
I said you're under arrest. Are you deaf?
But why?
Firstly, I don't like you. Secondly, you just came out of an apartment that's not yours. And last but not least, I haven't arrested anyone yet today. Does that work for you?
Hey, did it ever occur to you that the people who live here might have invited me, and now I'm just going back to my own place?
No. It's written all over your face. You're up to something.
Okay, I'll prove it. I'm gonna go get my friend and he'll tell you everything.
You better not be lying. Because believe me when I tell you, you don't want to piss me off.
Of course not. Shit. I have to get out of here.
Damn, kid! Who the fuck are you and where the hell did you spring out from? Almost gave us heart attacks.
I don't know. I think I have amnesia.
Amnesia? Huh. Well, I'm sorry, but this area is cordoned off for now. I'm afraid you'll have to wait here till we're done.
Or till you get your memory back.
What? Come on, you're not even doing anything.
We're conducting a thorough search, kid.
Yeah, we wouldn't want to miss anything important.
But what happened? Why is this place closed off?
It looks like someone killed the balloon guy.
What? He's dead?
Nah. It was a close call, but he's alive.
Why? Do you know anything about all this? Happen to know the guy, did you?
Me? I don't know. I told you I suffer from amnesia.
That's true, he did say.
Case closed.
Well, whatever the case may be, the guy inhaled a near fatal dose of pure helium, and his brain almost ran out of oxygen.
Yikes, that doesn't sound very good.
No, kid, it doesn't.
The thing is that we found these boxes while we were cordoning off the street, and
Let's just say we hit the jackpot.
classic trading cards, Federation uniforms, several replicas of famous swords. It's a gold mine.
Seems there was this geek convention supposed to be on today, but it got canceled at the last minute, and they just threw all this stuff away.
Oh, so let me get this straight. You're here going through all this geek stuff when you should be working on a case?
That's one way of putting it.
Another one could be we just found a damn Wonder Boy, and we're dying to try it out.
Then I'm afraid you'll need a console.
What?
A console, you know. How else are you gonna play Wonder Boy?
We're not talking about that Wonder Boy, kid. Haven't you ever heard of the legendary Wonder Bat?
I love retro stuff, but that's taking it a bit far, isn't it?
Oh, what do you know?
Okay then, I'll leave you guys to it.
Okay, but you stay right there.
Hey, why don't you put that Wonder Bat to the test?
What do you have in mind?
I don't know. Can you hit the ball?
Nick, you haven't swung a bat in years. You don't even show up to our games against the guys from the fire department.
So what? Are you trying to say I ain't got it anymore?
Trying? I'm saying it, loud and clear.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Bring it on, kid.
And strike.
Shit! Wait, I just need to warm up a little bit.
Sure, man.
All right, let's try again.
You wasting your time, kid.
Shut up, Ted. Come on. Give me your best shot.
You ready?
And strike two.
Fuck! God damn it! There's something wrong with this bat.
I thought it was the Wonder Bat.
Kid, don't test me. Because I got a taser right here, and she's just begging me for some action.
And, hey, don't you think that taser might be affecting your swing? Maybe that's why you haven't hit anything yet.
Well, now that you mention it, maybe. You know, it's pretty uncomfortable.
Obviously. You know, I could hold it for you.
Sounds good, kid. Oh, what the hell? Here.
Gotcha.
What's with the laugh?
Nothing. I was just thinking about a joke I heard before.
Kid, you're weird.
Yeah, I get that all the time.